Welcome friends. Presented by eVision Lifestyle. Explain to you with this video about how you can earn money from affiliate marketing in 2020, from the beginning. What is affiliate marketing and how it works, and then affiliate marketing tips for becoming a successful affiliate marketer. Let's see what affiliate marketing is and a few tips to get better at it. What is affiliate marketing? How does affiliate marketing work? Affiliate or publisher. Customer. Understand your audience. Do keyword research. Plan the affiliate marketing strategy. Read the policies and guideline of the affiliate product. Use affiliate disclaimer. Choose the quality affiliate product. Promote the product which you used or tried. Make content marketing plan. Learn continuously. Affiliate marketing takes time. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a way of promoting other people's products to make money online. It's a performance-based marketing. You will get a commission whenever you refer the person to buy the product. This is how you earn money from affiliate marketing. It's a good business module and many of them are making living from this. You can see many successful affiliate marketers making a lot of money online through affiliate marketing. But it requires a lot of time and effort. So, this affiliate marketing, let's see how it works. How does affiliate marketing work? Like I told earlier, affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing. If you make the sale, then you will make a commission from it. Let's see the affiliate marketing cycle from merchants to customer. The merchant, one who creates the product and markets the product through affiliate marketer. Merchant is the owner of the product. It's very much profitable for merchants either way. They will only pay when the affiliate marketer makes the conversion. If they are not making any sale, also it will become free marketing for business and product. This is more benefited for business as well. They don't need to spend money on marketing and only they need to pay the commission. There are affiliate marketing program networks out there. They are connecting the merchant and affiliate. But most of the large-scale companies are having their own in-house affiliate team. Many small companies are finding their affiliates in the network. These affiliate networks carry out the payment between the affiliate and the merchant. Some of the examples are Commission Junction, CJ, JVZoo, ClickBank, ShareASale, Impact Radius, and the list goes on and on. So, this affiliate marketing, let's see how it works. Click link at video below to more details step by step. If you enjoy, please subscribe and share your friends. Thanks for watching.